I hikina te whakawā I te toko whā o te ure wera I roto I te kōti teitei o Tāmaki Makaurau, kia āhei ai te katoa ki te tū kotahi ki te whakamaumahara I te haora o te rūnui I o tautahi nei. Heoi I roto I ngā taunakitanga a ngā kai kanohi, tērā te whakapae nā te hunga pāpāho I aro nui ai ngā prihimana ki te whai I te hunga whakatuatea.
He tuakana teina, me noho huna nā kanohi me nā āhua, nā te kōti te whakatau. Engari I roto I ngā pātai, he māramatanga.
And by the time you were spoken to by police about what had happened in January 2007, there have been lots of media about this case, hasn't there?
Yes.
Yeah. February 2008, does that sound about right?
Yes, yeah, it was around that time.
I tērā wā noho ki te kaumā whā, me te kaumā ono noa te pakeke o te tokorua nei. Engari he ngā kau nui ki te tautoko I te kaupapa whakapakari I te huna taiohi. Nā tērā whakaaro ka tūtaki kia tamiti.
At no stage was Mr. Iti ever disguised from you, was he?
No, he was not.
And at no stage was he ever carrying a gun, was he?
I can't, I'm not aware, so I don't know. I can't remember, sorry.
A hako anō he āhuatanga rereke anō I te tainga atu ki te puihi.
We were stopped in the middle of the track. A man was standing there holding a stick, telling us, yelling out, stop the car. And we were told, hop out of the car, where people popped up from both sides of the vehicle and told us to lie on the ground. They then searched us, just a quick frisk.
E harako rai wānake, enari ko tamiti anō hoki tētahi I whakamātau tauhia. Engari hea hātano nā kaupapa I kōrerohia.
And had you discussed healthy eating as part of your training regime with Dean back near where you live?
Yeah, that's what it is. One part of it's training, the other part's eating right.
Tērā anō hoki etahi kōrero āhua hanariki.
Ambushing cars?
Did he say why they were practicing ambushing cars?
No, he did not.
Ka haere tunu nā whakamātautau, hei tōna wāpea ka puta te tino māramatanga mo te tino ia o tēnei whakawā. Tini Molyneux, Te Karere.